Welcome back. In your morning medical news, parents a warning about lead poisoning. Cases in La Crosse are on the rise, officials say. So why is this happening? And what can you do to protect your family? News 8 Now's Grace Monk has those answers for us.
County health officials are encouraging parents to have their children tested for lead poisoning. They say it's something that can often go undetected for years.
Sometimes it can be really hard to see. If we don't get them tested, then we don't know if there's been exposure to lead. And the earlier you can find that out, the more interventions that can be done to help that child.
Last year, the health department had 14 children test positive for lead poisoning. 593 1- and 2-year-olds were tested, while more than 1,600 were not. Most cases come from lead-based paint in homes built before the 1950s.
Most commonly with the small children, it's because they are crawling or walking and lots of hands on the floor and using window ledges and things to pull themselves up, and then they put their hands in their mouth. So often just ingested accidentally.
The paint can also be ingested through dust and soil. Poisoning can lead to developmental delays, learning disabilities, and behavioral problems.
If it's caught early enough, they can try to do some symptoms or some reduction of some symptoms. They can't always reverse the process of what's happened, but it can definitely help to diminish some of the effects.
If lead poisoning is detected, the health department can help families determine the cause.
If you know that your home may be touched by any type of lead surfaces, whether that's lead-based paint or in the pipes themselves, it's important to try not to remove that stuff yourself, but to definitely reach out, because state and local health departments can definitely help you in getting your homes tested.
The DHS recommends children receive testing between ages 1 and 5. Grace Monk, News 8 Now this morning.
You can find more information if you're interested on the health department's website. As bird flu continues to spread, an office established to prepare the nation for future pandemics is reportedly down to just one staffer. That office, established by Congress in 2022, had once had about 20 people on staff working on the country's response to bird flu and other threats until mid-January. A source says as of this week, just one staffer will remain. It's not clear who that person reports to. Also, the office's pages have been removed from the White House website.